we are going to be looking at formatting a text in PowerPoint presentation. But before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, like, comment, and share our videos for more edifying contents. Now, the first thing we are going to be looking at in our presentation today is hiding and unhiding a text. Now, in your PowerPoint presentations, there are sometimes when you want to hide a particular slide, maybe the content in that particular slide is not meant for the group in which you are presenting. Take for instance, I have some adult pictures in slide 47 of my presentation, which is right here in display on your screen. And then I want to hide this particular slide because this particular slide will be presented to children below the age of 18. I'll simply click on that particular slide, maybe it's slide 47 as you can see on your screen. Then I will right click on that slide. Here you have your hide button. I'll hide this particular slide. So once at the course of my presentation, once I reach to slide 47 will no longer appear in this presentation for the public view. Now, if eventually I'm making a presentation to those who are adults 18 and above, and I want to use this particular slide to demonstrate or buttress my point, I will simply also go to that slide 47, right click on it, and then unhide my slide, and then the slide again becomes visible for people to see it. Another thing we are going to look at in today's presentation is copying and pasting a text, or cutting or pasting a text in a new slide. Now, here we have as our title Edenise Technology. Take for instance, I want to copy Edenise Technology. I'll simply highlight Edenise Technologies. Then I'll press my shortcut button, which is Ctrl+C. I'll simply go over here, open a new tab, and then come over here. Even without clicking where I want it to be, I'll simply press my shortcut Ctrl+V. And here we are, Edenise Technology has been copied and then pasted on a new slide. The same thing is applicable in cutting a text. Take for instance, I want to cut this particular text. Instead of copying it, I'll simply use the Control key of Ctrl+X, and immediately I have cut this particular slide. And then maybe I want to paste Edenise Technology at the title page of this particular front view. I will click on that title page and again press Ctrl+V. Once I have pressed Ctrl+V, Edenise Technology has again been replaced at that particular view. Now, we're also going to be looking at formatting the text. Formatting the text helps give your work a new look. Maybe you can change the font, the size, the color, or change your text into lowercase, uppercase. You can choose to bold it, italicize it, underline it, or whatever form of formatting you want your work to look like while presenting. Take for instance, this is our text here, Edenise Technology, and I am highlighting Edenise Technology, and I want Edenise Technology to have a Cabri font, or say Algerian font. I will simply choose the Algerian font. I may want Edenise Technology font size to leave from 40 to 36. I may choose 36. I may want Edenise Technology to be bold. Then I will just click on bold. Either in italicized, I will click on italics. If I want it to be underlined, I will click on underlined. If I want to change Edenise Technology from lowercase to uppercase, I will simply click on the button above, change it to lowercase. I may choose to change it to uppercase again, and then I will change it to uppercase. I may also choose to add color to my title page. What I need to do is just simply click on the button as you see on your screen, then make a choice of colors you want. Here in Edenise Technology, our best color is green, so I may click on green. And here you are, Edenise Technology has taken another shade of color, which is green. Now, another important point in PowerPoint presentation is autocorrect. Autocorrect. Sometimes when we type in MS Word, say for instance, I want to type Nigeria, and then I give a space bar, automatically Nigeria has been corrected from being a small letter. The N has been corrected from being a small letter to a capital letter. Sometimes if you press the enter button and then you want to type something new and the computer refuses to recognize or presume that what you are typing is an error, take for example, I want to type achieve. I've written achieve and then achieve, and everybody knows that the spelling here is incorrect. Achieving success. Automatically the computer has underlined achieve because it presumed that it is a wrong spelling. Take for example that what I have written is actually what I have in mind. Maybe it is an abbreviation of my company, say for instance. So what I need to do is to just go to the autocorrect edit and add this particular word I have written there, so that whenever I type it in my PowerPoint presentation list, computer will no longer identify it as an error. What are we going to do? You simply go to your file, you go to options, you go to proofing, and then here you are, you see auto correct options. You click on it. Now there are various options here. What you need to do, take for example here the name of our company is Edenise Technology and I want to abbreviate it. I'll simply click on replace and I write EDT as an abbreviation of Edenise Technology. Having written this, because I have already made this editing before, the name automatically appears here, Edenise Technology, and simply what I need to do is just to click OK, then cancel here, and then come over to this place. Now let's click enter, and I'm writing again EDT. Immediately I hit the space button, Edenise Technology appears, because presumably the computer already know that I am not making a mistake. I am only writing an abbreviation of my company. Now if you have noticed that whenever I hit the enter key, there is a bullet that appears. If you want to remove this bullet, it's as simple as when you highlight your work, you go to the upper ribbon here, then you select none, and the bullet automatically goes off. And when you want these bullets again to appear, you can again reselect your work, go to the upper ribbon there, and select any of the ribbons, any of the icons you want, or any of the bullets you want to, and how you want your work to look like. Now the same thing can happen to either numbering or whichever of the formatting bullet you want to use. So these are some of the brief features of PowerPoint presentations that are important and most efficiently help in making our work easier, presentable, and appealing to our audience.